Access control list dash. I think theory part I explained right yesterday,
Yeah, Taj.
right? So today directly can you jump to lab now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
So today we directly will jump to the lab now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So today let me share you my screen. Okay. Okay, guys. First thing is I think there are two types of ACL, right? What are those guys?
Standard ACL, extended
Extended.
ACL.
Right.
So what are the range are available there? How do I?
Standard ACL 1 to 99.
Okay.
1 to
Extended
99 and
100 to 199.
100. Yeah.
Then how do I configure this? Okay. So first we'll configure the standard access list. So remember in standard access list, okay. So we can block the entire network or we can block the PC in standard access list. If you give the range between 1 to 199, 1 to 99, the router will understand that you are going to configure your standard access list.
Standard.
So it will be, yeah. So it will be filtering that whether you can allow, whether you can deny the profit.
Okay.
So whereas extended access list, so your extended access list is going to filter your packet based on your protocols, based on your ports, and based on your services. Okay.
Okay.
We'll do the all the three labs, so including your named ACL. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's take your existing files. So I think routing part. We'll take static routing, guys.
Okay.
Copy paste. This I'll make it as redistribution. This is my lab.
Redistribution.
Sorry, ACL.
Yeah.
Okay, ACL. ACL lab. Okay, so this already is running your, I think, static, right? This is static routing, which we configured previously.
Yes.
That one lab is already exists there. The same lab, I think default routing, static routing with 3 routers, okay, with 2 routers.
Yes.
Okay, so let me take this one, center one. I think you can able to understand this, right? Static routing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's check what are the things have been configured. So at the same time, so I'm going to explain the new things here. Okay, so how many of them aware of automation, guys?
No.
So here is running static routing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to remove the static routing. I want to explain you about the automation, guys, because in networking also the automation has been introduced, because everything is we are going to configure based on your GUI and CLI. Right now we are learning based on your CLI, right? CLI based.
Okay.
Okay, even your GUI also we can able to configure your OSPF, EHRP, RIP, your static routing, all the routing protocol we can configure in your GUI interface also.
Yes.
So not only the Cisco, even your Palo Alto, your Checkpoint, FORTINET, all different non-Cisco vendors also we can able to configure your GUI interface. Okay, where you are going to configure. So network ID, subnet mask, wildcard mask, gateway, next hop. Okay, all you are putting the values, just saving add. That's it. That is called automations. So in packet tracer also, it has the two protocol, guys. That is where you can configure your static and RIP. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Before that, I want to remove that to explain your how we can do it. Those who are not familiar with the static routing, guys, so they can learn here. It's very easy to configure here. So first thing is I want to remove this static routing. Okay. So how do I remove this? You just copy and paste. Lower configuration mode. No. Copy paste. Done, right? If you check, show IP array starting is gone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now how we can configure by very simple method to configure static routing. Right now, packet tracer is going to support only two protocol, guys. This automation, like automatic, we can configure IP address, some static, and your RIP configurations. Is going to support only two protocols. So go to there here. So go to the configuration part. So can you see static here?
Okay.
Right? Static. So which network you want to reach? To reach 192.168. 2.0 network,
sorry,
right?
2.0. Yeah.
2.0 networks.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is the mask? 255.255.255.255.
255.255.0.
Who is the next hop? 10.1.1.2.
2.
That's it, right? Just add.
Yes.
Can you see the command? It will write automatically,
Yes.
right? So now next. Okay, there is one more network, right? 10.0.0.0.0 and then 20, right? 20 network.
2020.
Okay, so 20.0.0.0.0 and give the wildcard mask.
0.0.0.
Okay, and gateway same, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Right, same.
No.
Anything else?
No.
One more, right? Three network.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so 192.168.
3.3.
3.0. 255. Because usually I don't
255.
explain starting. Actually, most of the trainers, what they do, they explain this directly.
Okay.
I'll explain last. Next topic is same, right?
No.
Yes.
Yes, same.
Yes, same.
That's it.
Mm.
You can see the commands right here. It's writing automatic.
Yes.
This is nothing but take as automation, nothing
Okay.
else.
Ah.
It's not a big thing, right? Now, if you check, okay, do show IP route. Do show IP route static. You can see it has done, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it easy, guys?
Yes. Yes, Taj.
Yes, okay. I think Swati, you are aware of this one?
Which one?
Swati, Saundarya, Ishika.
No touch. No.
Okay. Do you think it's
No,
very
sir.
simple, right? It's very simple, right? Even RIP also we can configure. Even RIP.
Very
The
simple.
moment you enter RIP, it will enter to the RIP. Directly you can configure. Even you can configure your VLAN database, switch part also we can configure. Giving IP address for interface, serial also we can configure here.
Okay.
Okay. So these things are there. Okay. So right now, just I want to show you that. Okay. I hope it's understood, right?
Hmm.
Show
Yes,
IP
sir.
route static. Okay. So now I should ping everywhere first. It should communicate to every network. So let's check the router 3 network. 3.1. It is there. Yes, I can read 3.2. Yes, I can read 3.3. Then 2.1. 2.2. Okay. So let's create one scenario, guys. So let's configure with your static route, your ACL. Okay, let me change this one. This is my standard
ACL.
access control list. Okay. So here it works is going to work 1 to 199, right?
99.
99, yeah. Okay, the scenario, guys, first understand. So what I'm trying to do is, let's take this PC. Let it put some color for this PC, especially for this PC. This PC IP, I want to block to access this network. Right now, they are communicating with each other, right? Can you check?
Okay.
Yes.
Right, they can communicate to each other. Success, right?
Yes.
This PC can communicate to this server as well.
Okay.
Right. So I can reach now. Right. So now the scenario use, okay, I want to deny this guy. Okay, let me write it down the IP address for this. I think it is 192.168.
192.1.2.
1.2.
1.2.
Is it sure 1.2?
Yes, yes.
Let confirm, guys. Otherwise, it's follow.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, so
1.2.
1.2. Yes, fine. That's good. Okay, so first understand. So I don't want to access this guy to this network. What is this network? 2.0, right?
2.0.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to deny to access this data. Right now, they have the communication now. Right, I want to deny. So first understand your standard access list is configured close to destination. Understood, guys? Now you tell me which is my destination here. Anyone can tell, like Piyush or Rakesh, Saundarya, Aswati, or Amanda, Vineja, anyone.
It's,
Can you repeat that
192
once again?
191.1.2 is your destination. That should not
destination.
go.
1.2 is my
Destination.
1.2 is my destination.
Hmm.
Any other guys? This PC 1.2, okay. I don't want to allow. This is my network. This is my 2 network. That is your light green color network is my network. I don't want to allow this guy 1.2 to allow my network.
I think router.
Which router?
2.2.
201 should be the
That is
destination.
router 2 is my destination.
Yes.
Right, this network, right?
Yes.
This is the network. Okay.
Yes.
Means we should configure close to destination. Means router 2, we should configure your ACL. You have to create ACL in router 2. Okay. Don't get confused, guys. This is very important what I told you that. Because wrong router you configure ACL, because what happened, entire network is going to block, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's configure your this thing, guys. So go to global configuration mode, access list. Okay, what should the number we should give? Can see right if you give the question mark 1 to 99. Okay,
1.
so let's give 10, 1 or 10 any value.
Yeah.
This within 99 we have to give there, guys.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so then question. So what we are going to do? We are going to deny.
Deny.
Okay, so deny what? What we are going to
192.
deny?
192.
192.
192.168.1.1.2. 1.2. Sorry.
192.168.1.2.
1.2.
2. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Question mark.
he's asking the question mark. He's asking the wildcard marks.
Wildcard bits. Yes.
Okay, so wildcard will give 0, 0, no issues. All will
0,
give 0.
0, 0.
Or else we can
Yeah.
use 0, 0 that to 255. No.
255, yeah.
255.
Right now, only one piece, right? It's not a big
Okay.
network. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so after this, this is one more command which is quite very important, guys. That
Permit
is,
any.
yes, very good. Access
any.
list 10 permit any.
Taj, I
People-
have a question here. So why
Yeah.
we are giving 0.0.0.0?
Yeah, so your wildcard mask let match to the entire subnets. See, for 1.0 network, maybe you are running 5-6 different departments. Okay, in that subnet, okay, we don't know this IP 1.2 which you are supposed to block. Okay, router cannot understand like which subnet this host is available. Right.
So what
This-
if we put 0.0.0.255?
It will work. Same thing will work. Doesn't make any
But it will
changes.
take entire network like
Entire
192.168.1.0
network.
network it will take.
Because if you type 0.0.0.255, so only the 1.0 network is going to take. What happened for one router, for the two links, you have connected the different network. One you are running 1.0 network, another you are running 5.0 network. In that scenario, so we have let it give 0 all wildcard mask. So in their networks, they should have communicate with the 2.0, right? Okay, that's the reason we are giving. Even if you give 0.0.255 also it works. Doesn't matter. Okay. Suppose if you type this access list one permit any, if you don't issue this command, what happens? Entire network is going to block, guys.
Yes.
Okay, this was quite very important command. Now next is for which interface we have to apply. For which interface? Right now I am a router 2, right? I don't want this guy to access my network. Now, just now I have created my ACL.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now I have to apply to the interface. Which interface we are going to apply? Whether the serial
Giga
or
0
0/0/0.
giga 0/0/0.
why?
From router to router it is
Root.
given.
Remember, guys. So applying the ACL to serial, that is a WAN link, right? It's a WAN link. Is not recommended by Cisco itself. Okay, recommended for the LAN links, that is gigabytes.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next question I will ask. So I want to apply for gigabytes. So whether it is an inbound or outbound, you want to block this PC which is coming to this router 2 and is trying to access my 2.0 network. Okay, I am going to block. So now you tell me so whether I should apply the inbound or outbound.
Inbound.
Inbound.
Inbound?
Outbound.
Yes, good, because it's outbound.
Outbound because different network. No. Within a
No,
network
first
means it becomes
understand. First understand, guys. See, this is my PC, guys. Okay, this is my touch PC 1.2. Okay, this is 2.0 network. Okay, when I'm coming to this router, okay, I will reach to, right? I can reach to this router, right?
Okay.
When I going out to access this 2.0 network, I should get blocked.
Yes.
Okay, traffic is coming in. While going out, I must get blocked. Understood, guys?
I understood vice versa actually. Coming into the network, I thought like it would be inbound.
See, coming to in means for this router, coming into where it is not going to directly accessing, it has to go via router, right?
Router.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, it has to go via router only, right? It will be in for router,
Okay.
out for LAN.
Okay.
Means what we are doing? We are going to block for the LAN, right? Not for the router.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you understood.
Yes.
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 Okay. So now we have to go to that interface. Interface gigabyte 0/0/0. Okay. So IP access group 10. So give your out. When it's going out to access my VLAN, I am going to block.
Okay.
That's it. So this show access list. This is the only two command we issued, right? Can you check now? Previously it was pinging.
Okay.
So I think now let's ping to this PC. Spell. Check from CLI. Ping any network. So 192.168. Ping 2.2. Destination host unreachable. 2.3. Let's say 2.1 and 2.4 is there. Okay, now I want to ping 10 dot, okay, 1.1.2. It will ping now.
Yes.
Means it is reaching up to router, right?
Router, yeah.
Right, up to router is pinging. So what
Yes.
about router that side? 20.1.1.1. He can reach, right?
Yes. Yes.
So what about this 192.168?
68.
3.1? He
Yes.
can reach.
Yes.
He's reaching all,
Yes.
right? But thing is, when you try to ping 2.1, it's going to block.
Okay.
Okay, now this piece is done. What about this guy? Okay, let's talk about this laptop.
Oh, he will ping.
He'll ping.
Must ping, right?
Yeah.
He will ping. He must ping.
He must ping now.
Yes.
Okay. So ping 192.168 2.1 is pinging, right?
Yes.
3.2 is getting reply.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll check the stimulation. Okay. How this packet, okay, is getting reply, from where he's getting blocked. Who is getting blocked? Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Take the simulation part. Okay. So I will take this PDU from this PC to let's say this server. Okay, then start. It will reach here. Once it is reached, just imagine this red, right, is getting blocked. Can you see?
Yes.
Just open that packet, guys. Not this packet. This packet is not allowing. Can you see? Your destination get changed here. Let's see the outbound. See, source has become 10.1.1.2. This guy is replying. We cannot reach to this guy.
Okay.
Destination is he's replying 1.2.
Yes.
Right? Can you see?
Yes.
It's not allowing.
Okay.
Let's see this also. Okay. Understood, guys? This is very simple. What I did.
Yes.
Yes.
This is for a single PC that we have blocked it for multiple devices, multiple networks. What is that one that we'll be using? Same technique or the different technique? Touch.
Same thing. Same thing. Suppose
This.
example. Okay. So right now, what you did, you just block one PC, right? Instead of blocking, okay, you can block entire network. Like say example, you can block entire 3.0 networks.
That is that we have to block the
Yeah,
router using inbound.
Yeah. So let's
This
put the charger here. My laptop is down.
Rocky bhai,
Yeah, bro.
ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರ 1.2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್
ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇರ್ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅದು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೆ.
Like Taj, like one computer you have blocked the entire two network, right? So is it possible like we can block only to one particular device here, like 2.2 or 2.3 pieces? Is it possible to block only to that one?
Yes, it is possible in extended access list, not in standard access list.
Why is it so?
Because standard access list is going to give the service only two things: whether you can block the PC or block the network.
Okay.
Yeah. So extended access list is going to, we can block the based on services. We can block based on your. I think yesterday I told you, right? Do you remember? Let me show you that. I think yesterday I was talking about one of the scenario, which I have it here. I think this slide. This is standard access list.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see this slide?
Okay.
So first understand this. So what question you asked? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my FTP server. Okay. And this is my web server. So they can try, they cannot communicate to each other, either sides. But rest of the networks, they can communicate. This is possible only in your extended access list, not in your standard access list.
Only the end devices, right? Only that one particular end device, and here
only one particular piece. Only one particular piece, right? This is the only one.
Yes.
You can do that.
Taj, one more question actually. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. If you can you show that simulation screen? Topology. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 1.0 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 3 ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇದರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ.
You want to block only one PC?
No, two PCs. Or to one PC, one laptop, irrespective of thing.
Means like right now you block with this PC, right?
Only one PC. I want to block two PCs or one PC or one laptop.
Yeah, that also we can give.
With the standard this one. What is that command that we will be using it?
Same.
See, right now how we have used the command. You can
no,
see
only one is there.
Okay, right now we have blocked only one PC. To access, we have denied this PC to access entire network. Right. So right now, what do you want? You want
one more PC also to be added, or on laptop
to access one of the network here. See example right now. So this guy, I think this guy can able to ping, right?
Yes.
I think we have. So 192.168, 2.1.
168, 198.
Okay. So this guy is communicating now.
Yes.
Okay, now we can block this to access one of the networks. So example, this is my server. Okay, so what is my server IP? This is 2.3.
Hmm.
You don't want to access this guy to this IP, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it I'm correct?
No. Within a network, two devices have to block. Within a blue color ಇದು first
Okay,
network ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Okay, within the network.
Within a network, I'm asking.
Okay, within the network means like in the routers we can do it, not in the using ACL.
Like,
Not
okay.
in the
ಇಲ್ಲ
Got-
ತಾಸ್
getting
ಹೇಳಿದ
confused. Getting confused.
ಯೋಗಿ ಯಾರು
No, actually getting confused. Actually, what I asked, Taj, that he was able to answer now. I mean, ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಈ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ.
standard access list.
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಈ 1.0 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು PC ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ PC 2 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು PC ಗೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕು ಅಥವಾ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಗೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, within network is not possible. Then they have other way to block within the network. There is other way.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ.
ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಟರ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು PC ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೌಟರ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಥವಾ PC. ಸೊ ರೌಟರ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಒಂದು PC, ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ PC ಈ ರೌಟರ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು PC ಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ PC. ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವಾಗ 1.2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 1.2 PC ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2.1 PC ಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ.
Okay, that's what. Say example like what I understood. Okay, let me
take that same red color only.
Say example, this is you want to block.
No. Take this only, which you have already blocked.
Okay, let me take the new one.
Okay.
So now another one. Okay, another you want to block to communicate these two guys.
One more.
He should not be able to ping only to that laptop, but he can ping for all other end devices, even the router and the end devices.
So that is possible in your extended access list.
Okay.
Not
on this one. Okay.
Not in that we are doing lab now.
Okay.
You can see, right? By seeing this topology, we can understand that this is my FTP server, which I am writing 0.18. Okay. And this guy is 0.34.
Yeah.
Okay. When these guys accessing to this guy, okay, it should get blocked. When these guys access to this guy, so it should get blocked. Okay, but they can ping.
Okay.
They can ping to each other.
Okay.
But they cannot access the web server. They cannot access your FTP server.
Okay. So now actually the Vikash was asking that just now we have blocked one PC to the entire 2 network, right? So he's telling that if there are like
Not
two, three
network.
PCs.
Only one network we have blocked. Not for the entire network. Only for 2 network we have blocked for one PC. For the router 1 PC.
Only the 2 network.
Yeah.
For one PC.
Yeah.
So in case if you have more PCs to block, so can we do it in the same command, or like we have to do it like one by one?
One by one we can one or all. See, IP address is unique, right? So whichever IP address you want to block, take that IP address and then deny to access your whichever network you want to. Individually we have to give. We have to create the access list, apply to interface.
Okay, just we have to add that deny like continuously.
Yes, continuously.
Continuous. Oh, that is how we have to do it. Okay.
Because that's what you wanted to ask, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do your extended access list. I think. Okay, so in extended access list, let's take this same topology. Okay, let's change this to extended. And this start from 100 to 199.
199.
Okay, so I think what we have to remove first here, ACL, right? We have configured ACL, right? Show access list.
Yeah.
This is what we configured, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to remove this first. Okay, so no access list.
List.
Now check show access list. Okay, it's gone.
Okay.
Okay, so now check show IP route, whether it's pinging or not first. Show IP route. Okay, I think we do have the reachability. So everyone is communicating with each other, I hope. I think 192.168, 1.1. I think 1.100, I guess. Okay, then check this side, 3.1. Yes, we are 3.2. Okay, so we have the reachability now. So now I am going to configure your extended access list. Okay, so first understand the scenario. So what we should configure. Okay, so this is my network. Imagine this is my one network, and this is my another network. And this is another network. So now we are going to block the services now. Okay, as you asked, right? You want to block the services based on your PCs, PC to PCs. Okay, your HTTP access, telnet. Okay, that will do now. Okay, so we'll take the other reason I have taken the same topology so that we can understand. Okay, what we should do now. So now let's take one of the PCs, right? Okay, let me write it down. The task here. Here it is somewhere task here. Let's type task here. This is the ACL task. Okay. The task is deny. Deny means this one gets blocked. Deny the users. Okay, on LAN. Which LAN? Let's take 192.168 2.0 network. Okay.
Okay.
Could not access. Okay. 192.168. So example, I think.
Same,
Can you tell me the IP
1.2
address for this one? Any one of these
2.
IP address?
2.2
No,
or
same.
2.3.
We'll take this one 3.
No.
3.
No, 1.2.
2.3 or 2.1. 2.2.
No, 2. Network. So right now 2. Network. Okay.
Okay.
So this network, it should not access for any one of these web servers. Say example web server. So we will give I think 3.5. I don't know the exact IP address. Let's check this. This is my web server.
Yes.
Okay, this is my web server. Let's check what is the IP. This is 3.5. Exactly I given right already.
Yes.
Like
okay. Let's
here
do
3 network,
this
right? You have to take 168.3.0 network. This one. Here 3.0 network you have to take, right?
3.0.
Ila
See,
bro.
when understand when these network, suppose Rakesh, so new Illidira. Okay, you are into 2 network, and this is my web server.
Okay.
Okay, new you can communicate to ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ communicate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Okay.
ನೀವು in case server ಗೆ ನೀವು ವೆಬ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you are getting blocked.
Okay. Got it.
Got it.
Got it. I thought like you are doing it for the first network. Is it 1.2 network?
Just one scenario I will do it. Okay, then you jump others scenario.
Okay.
Okay, you understood the this one the task.
Yes.
What
Yes.
I'm going to do.
Yes, yes.
What about Veneja, Amanda? Are you there, right? Sondarya?
Yes, Taj.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's very
Taj.
interesting, guys. Because I used to play this game in the Infosys. I play a lot of games using ACL.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this one. Actually, I have one more doubt. I'll ask it later.
And don't do experiment, guys. If you got in access to racks for entity,
Okay.
because this is very powerful command, guys.
Okay.
And remember, this all commands also works in your all vendors, guys. Remember, the Palo Alto, checkpoint, firewall, because most of the ACL will be configured. ACL and NAT will be configured most dependencies from the firewall.
Okay.
Okay. Some small companies, I think they'll configure in on their routers where they purchase the high-end routers. They'll configure ACL on their routers. Okay. So now you check. Now I want to know from your side, guys. Now we are going to configure the extended access list. So in extended access list, we have to configure close to or nearest to source, right?
Sure.
Nearest to source, right?
Source.
Yes.
Okay. Now you tell me, okay, which router is the source now?
Router 3.
3.3 network.
Router 3.
Who said this?
Emilda.
Amanda. Very good, Amanda. Very good. Okay. So Amanda, can you explain why it is the source?
Because this router, the network 2.0 should not access the 3.0 network. No,
Okay.
that's why. That's the source.
Then two network is became source, right? When he's going out to access three network. In three network, one of the web server I want to access. When I go into access mean, then it will become destination, right?
No. The server shouldn't access that network. No,
That's what. See,
that particular server
let me
shouldn't
this
access
thing.
the network.
So let me this thing understand here. Okay. So right now, see, right now we have the three routers.
Network 1, network 2,
So this is my R1, this is
R2,
R2 and R3. So right now, this is how I connected one
the
of my
server.
server.
Yes.
Okay. So this is my web server. So IP address is, I think, 3.5, right?
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and this is my networks, which are running some network. So now,
That's interesting.
so as you know that in extended ACL,
Yes.
okay, we have to configure is nearest to
Source.
source, right? So now imagine this is my PC, okay? So what I'm going to do when I access this to this router, okay? Now EasyTime became source and this guy server became destination.
Destination.
Is it correct, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Imelda?
Taj.
Yes, Taj.
Then who is this thing? It has to configure where?
R2.
R2 or R3?
The R3.
R3.
R3 only.
One
R3.
second.
R3.
No, R2. We have to configure the ACL in R2.
Correct.
No, the source.
First understand, because then only we can go for your extended access list. You understood the question, right? Okay, I have my laptop here. So imagine this is my 2.4, my laptop IC, this thing. Okay, so when I try to access the web server, so web server, so I'll type in my laptop. Okay, I will type www.google.com. Okay, so my traffic is going via this router. Again, is jumping to this router. Okay, the router will check in the PC. Okay, who is this 3.5? Okay, your router will forward the frames to your web server. Okay,
Yes.
the web server is going to access. Now, is it not became this is the source and this is the destination? And so as you know that in extended access list, we should configure a nearest to source. Now we should configure in this router or in this router.
R2, nearest to source.
Nearest to source.
This IP address.
No, actually, nearest means it should be R3 because the one is the web server, right? It provides a service. From here, the source it goes to that PC. So the source should be R3. Router 3 should be the source.
Yes, answer is correct. Amanda, Vikas, what you said, answer is correct. This is the source. Okay, I'm asking why. Answer is correct, guys. We should configure in R3. We'll do that lab. That is not a big deal now. My question is, why this source? How? Because logically, because technically, because see, I'm sitting in my 2.4. This is my laptop IP. Okay,
Yes.
when I type google.com, okay, these things are HTTP or 3 dot this thing. Okay, I'm reaching via this network. Okay, so I'm became the source to him, right? And my destination is this server, web server.
Hmm.
Then how, as per this extended your rules, okay, so you should configure nearest to source.
Source.
Then how this guy has become source now? Of course, we have to configure in R3, guys. I'm asking how.
Because if you do it in R2 itself, you will not be able to reach to the R3 itself, right?
Fair enough.
Yes, because this server is connected to the router 3 network.
Yeah.
3 network.
So at
So
least
that router becomes a source to that destination will be the server.
yeah, if you do it R2, it will block the whole R3 other devices as well. If you do it at R3, only that particular server is going to, source, I mean the destination is going to be blocked. If you do it R2, then it will not be able to ping to the R3 itself, and for any other devices in the R3.
Exactly.
Yes. Good. Understood, guys? Others? When you configure here, okay, so first of all, the traffic which your destination is 3.5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this router entry doesn't exist, first of all, this network.
Yeah.
You don't know who is that guy. Then how is going to filter the packets? How is going to block? How is going to allow?
Yes.
Right? It will,
Yes.
okay, if it is don't know means it will forward to this guy.
Yes.
If you configure ESL here, okay, he's going to block. Yeah, I don't know who is that guy. He's going to drop your packet.
Okay.
Okay, then you send. I don't know. Maybe I think he will send to both this side and this side also to send.
Okay.
Okay, so this guy will not reply because this 3 network it doesn't exist here.
Okay.
This guy will check. Okay, fine. I think I have in my routing table 3.5. Okay, I'll forward to switch. Switch it forward the frames to the specific 3.5 IP address. It will check. Okay, fine. So I have this IP address. It will send the frames. Okay. Then what happened? The router, what you applied your deny.
Okay.
Okay. So it's not going to reply to your PC while coming back. It will not reply because you are going to deny this to access your web server.
Okay.
Okay, what is a web server? So I think we can configure based on HTTP or based on your port number.
Okay. 80.
We can block. We can give any value. Maybe directly HTTP or we can give port number 80.
Okay.
Web server is port number 80, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Understood, Emelda? The answer you correctly. Router 3 we should configure.
Mhm.
Right? Router
Oh.
3 we should configure.
Yes.
Okay. When traffic is coming, okay, now this guy became the source now. Who is that guy? Who is that guy? Okay, we are going to block. Okay,
Yeah.
we are supposed to block this 2.4 PC.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you tell me, okay, so I'll go to this router 3. So how do I configure? How do I apply the ACL? For your, I think you got the mail, right? All of you? For your assessment?
No.
No touch.
No?
touch.
What, man? I think, see,
Anshika
Bandi
has sent or
Anshika has sent.
no, not yet received.
No, that is it.
How come you not received, man?
Maybe
We are
we
not
blocked
there.
that mail, I think so.
So.
Huh?
We are not there in that.
Only for
list.
batch 1 she has sent it.
Yeah,
We are not there.
sending.
Oh,
Here I can see
okay,
batch 1
okay.
people are there. Anjay,
Right.
Kiran, Balika, Vishwa, yes.
Yeah, these are all batch 1.
Okay. And when is the assessment for you guys, man?
Next week.
Hopefully.
Oh. We are doing the extended service, right? For batch 1, it is applied. For batch 2, we blocked it.
I thought for you guys because I'm going to give 100% this ACM gas. 100% without fail.
Yes. Yes.
Not as a standard, I will give extended.
Mm.
And one more thing,
Yeah,
like
accept
the PC which you are blocking to that 3.5 network, so vice versa, that even 3.5 will not be able to access the PC.
Now they can access PC.
They can access, right?
They can access.
Right.
Just we are blocking what? Just we are blocking service. Only web server service we can access it, but they can ping. They can ping. We'll do that now. Okay.
Can ping, but not the service.
Services. Okay. So
Only
let's
we'll be
go to
blocking the
global
service.
composition mode. Access list. So what number I should give access list guys here?
100, 101, 102, 110.
Okay, so just give 100. Okay, so deny. Okay, host. Okay, deny your TCP, right? This is a TCP traffic. HTTP is your TCP traffic.
Okay.
Deny TCP traffic. Which network? 192.168 2.0 network. Okay. Then give the wildcard mask for this 0.0.255 or 00 also we can give it work to access which host?
192.3.5.
3.5.
3.5.
Question mark.
Okay. So if you give question mark, it will give some equation equal, not equals to, greater than. Okay. So now we can use equal, EQ, equal to what? What we are going to do? I'll give the question mark. Let's see what you are supposed to do now.
FTP,
Port
SMTP, Telnet,
Port,
World Wide Web.
numbers. Port numbers.
No,
Okay.
We'll block the
HTTP.
www.
HTTP.
80, I
HTTP,
guess.
right?
80.
HTTP. We can use
80.
www or HTTP or even AT also we can.
Okay.
Okay. So even we can give AT also. It will work.
Okay.
Okay. Then what next command we should do? Whether we
Permit.
should permit, right?
Yeah. Permit any.
access list 100, permit
Any.
IP, any. Apart from this, let access other network, they should communicate with each other.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Understood, guys? So now,
Why it is mentioned as twice, touch IP any twice?
yeah, see, let me explain this. IP. So any source, okay,
Any destination.
any destination.
Okay, source and
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
destination.
ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೌದು.
ಸಬ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ,
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇದು. ಎನಿ
ಹಂಗೆ.
ಏರಿಯಾ,
Any
any street number,
destination.
they can communicate. Only
Yes.
these, apart from these, what we configure, I think 3.5.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, so
Yes,
now
that's
important
right.
things. So now which interface we have to apply?
To the LAN.
Gigabyte 0/0.
Zero.
Gigabytes?
0/0/0.
Okay, interface gigabytes 0/0.
0/0.
Is it 0? Check 1 second.
Yes.
Yes.
So now you tell me what I should call. IP access group 100. Okay. Now you tell me the inbound or outbound.
Outbound.
Out only.
Outbound.
Very good, guys. It's a outbound.
Mm.
That's it. So now I think how do I check this one? Okay, so let's open this PC. Let's check, can they ping to the server first? Right?
3.5. Okay.
Yes, so 192.168, 3.5, right?
Yes. But it's pinging.
Okay, we are
Ping
getting
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
reply, right? It's pinging.
Hmm.
Right? It's pinging now. No issues. Okay, so
It
now,
can ping.
now we'll check from open the web browser and type the IP address of the web server, HTTPS:// 192.168. 3.5.
3.5.
Press enter or go. It's going to block. It's not getting reply. Okay. Now you check from any one of these PC, this one network. Right? From here I should get reply, right?
Mhm.
Right? So let's check that. HTTP:// 192.168, 3.5, right?
Yes.
We're getting reply, right? Packet tracer.
Yes.
Welcome to packet tracer.
Yes.
Yes.
We're getting welcome to packet tracer.
Okay.
So what about any laptop? So can they ping now? They should ping, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
they
Yes.
can ping.
Okay, they should ping. Let's check that one also. 192.168, 3.5. They can ping, right?
Yes.
But thing is here, these guy also can ping, right? We are getting reply, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
This guy also can ping. But he cannot access the HTTP services. That is internet. Okay.
Only one
This is
service
the-
we have blocked.
Only one service.
Yes.
Like, is it possible it should not be pinging to the whole 3.5 itself?
Yes, we can do it. We can do that ICMP traffic.
Okay.
Then block. We'll do that one also.
Yeah. Like completely,
We'll do
it should
that.
not ping itself. You know.
Access list. Okay, 100, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Access list 100. Deny. Okay, deny. What do you want to deny? I want to deny ICMP traffic.
Okay.
Right? ICMP is what? To the host. Okay, from which host you want to block? You want to block
4.0 network.
192.168. One of the PC you want to block.
Yes.
Okay, which PC you want to block? Same that PC, right? I think 2.2 or 2.3. I don't know what the exact IP
2.2.
address.
2.2.
2.2.
Yeah.
Okay. To the host. Okay. To which PC? Which
One
PC?
3.5.
3.5. If you give the question mark, it will ask you the echo or echo reply. It should not get reply. We can take echo reply, right? Echo is nothing but your ping.
Okay.
Echo. Is it my echo reply? That's why echo reply is not working. Echo reply. That's it. I think same thing. Access list 100. Okay. Access list 100. Permit IP any.
Okay.
So as per this thing, see this PC, right? I don't know what is the IP address for this PC. Is it 2.5? Then we have blocked for 2.2, right?
2.2. Yeah.
Let me check who is 2.2. Can this guy can ping, right? Yeah, he can ping. Who is 2.2?
Here, first PC. First.
Is 2.4.
Which is first PC here?
Here. PC 211. This is that.
It's 2.1.
Here, PC.
Yeah, this one. 2.2,
Laptop.
right?
Yes.
Laptop.
Yes.
This guy is 2.2.
Okay.
In this guy, it should not ping, right? You're getting reply. Check what we have configured. 2.network to 3.5. So here we should give deny this IP address. Correctly we have given, right? It's correct, right?
Yes.
100 deny ICMP host 2.2 the host echo reply. Let's check once again. ಯಾಕೆ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು? What about web server? Can he access http colon 192.168 3.5? Okay, here's bug.
Only this thing is blocked.
Then why these guys pinging now? It should not ping, right? As per our ping minus t is continuous ping, right? Why is pinging continuously, guys? Why is pinging? Currently we configured, right? We will escalate problem, guys. This one.
Is it like, can we give only just instead of echo reply, we can give echo? Only echo.
Okay. Try that one also. Access list
100.
Deny ICMP
ICMP
host.
host.
So source, which is the source now?
2.2.
Source is your this thing, right? Server.
router,
server, yes.
server.
Three.
Then
And space question mark.
Destination.
destination address. Or any destination or single host.
Single host.
Single host, right?
Yes. Host.
Host.
19,
Yeah.
92.
Destination is 192.168.
Dot.
2.2.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now echo
That's it.
reply. Okay. Or else we can type just enter. Also, you should type
Dot
host
me.
unreachable. Or else you can type host unreachable.
Okay.
Okay. Like this also you can do.
Okay.
Okay. So as per things, I think let's check now. I think this is the guy, right?
Yes.
Still this guy is pinging. So first check what is the IP address for this. This is 2.2.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's pinging. What about other guy? Let's check with this laptop. Getting reply.
Yeah.
Then what could be a problem, guys? So you take the small break, guys. So I'll give access if anybody want to troubleshoot issue, can troubleshoot, guys. Who wants to do this?
You can give me access.
Okay, so a lot of things are on, right? You understood, right? First, how to configure the ACL, right?
Yes.
Experiment on that, I think you can do.
Okay.
Rakesh, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Rakesh, I think you can do the access now.
Okay.
So be well, just I will take 10 minutes break.
Sure.
Okay, I'll just mute. Okay, just give me
Yes.
1 minute time.
Sure.
Bro, ಅದು ICNP ನದು ಇದು ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಇರೋದು
ಬ್ರೋ
ಒಂದು ICNP ನದು
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಒನ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಒನ್ಲಿ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಕಂದ್ರೆ ICMP ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನಿಸ್ತು.
ಬ್ರೋ IP ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ICMP ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಬ್ರೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಪಿಸಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದ ನೆನಪಿಗೋಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ.
ನಾವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಲೆ ಹುಳ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತೆ ಬ್ರೋ. $23 ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 month ಫುಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್. ಅದು all sorts of paid courses like Cisco, Nokia, Huawei, Juniper, all test questions, course certifications ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಬ್ರೋ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇದು AWS ಮತ್ತೆ Azure ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು CCNA ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ.
ಅದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಟಾಜ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗಿತ್ತು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಸೈಬರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿಗೆ CCNA ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. IP ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 100. ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. CTP slash
3.5 ನೋಡಿ 9 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇದು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗೋ ಹೊಡೀರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ನಮಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
HTTP (92.168) ಎಂಟರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಇದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. HTTP 22.168.3. ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ. HTTP 192.168.3.5. ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿನೈಡ್ ದ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್
ಈ ಸರ್ವರ್
port
ವೆಬ್
port
ಸರ್ವರ್
number 80 ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್
ವೆಬ್
80
ಸರ್ವರ್
ಮಾಡಕ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 80 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ one of these devices has not to be should not be reaching this either any web service
ಅದು
or to the entire
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್
service.
ಅದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ 2.2 ಯಾವ್ದೋ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು
ಇವಾಗ
ಮಾತ್ರ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Like what I said is like one of these devices, this entire network, what he has done, deny the users on LAN, ಎಲ್ಲ users ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ping ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So my question was like any one of these devices should not be reaching to this web service.
ಒಬ್ಬನು ಅವ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡ್ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
So means like ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಪಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಏನೋ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವರ್ಗೆ, ಅದು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ,
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್.
ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಂಗೆ
ನೋಡಿರಿ ಇವಾಗ
92.163.5 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಪಿ ಗೆ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಅದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೋ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿರರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ. ಪಿಂಗ್ 192.168.2.2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ,
ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ.
ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
ಇದೇ
ಅದು
PC
ಸರ್ವಿಸ್.
ನಿಮ್ದು?
2.2. ಇರಿ. ಇದು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾವು ಇದು ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಹೌ ಟು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಿದೀನಿ. ಹೌ ಡು ಐ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ರೂಟರ್? Access list. Deny ICMP network. Along with host 2.0.0. Host ಯಾವ್ದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೋಸ್ಟ್
ನಾನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಂಗೆ. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವ್ದು
ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು ಟೂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಬಂದು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ನೋಡೋಣ.
ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಇದೇನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Access 100 deny ICMP host. Bro 3.5 ತಾನೆ ಅದು. ಮಾಡಿ
ಏನ್ ಬಂತ ಅದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಬರ್ತಾ
ಒಂದ್
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮಿಷ.
You
ಅದು
try.
ಪಿಂಗ್
You
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ
can-
ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಬರೀ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ, ಒಂದ್
ಒಂದು
second.
ಟ್ರೈ
RSC
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
configure same scenario, just configure for the R1.
ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
Okay, you're changing the IP address. You're swapping, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is it pinging?
Yeah. Yes.
Getting a reply.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. So let's cancel this one. Same thing you configured here in router 3, same scenario. As you can see, here also you have server, right?
Yeah.
Server is 1.2, the server IP address is. Okay, so now we can configure here, right?
Yes.
Access, extended access list. Access list will give here 110.
Okay.
Okay. Deny your ICMP packets. Okay. And host. Okay.
Okay.
Host which source? Which is the source now? Who is the source now? This is
3.5.
so. Let's change the scenario here. First, understand. So
Okay.
here, any one of this PC we will take. So let's take this any one of this laptop.
Okay.
What is this one? This is 2.1.
2.1.
Okay, do 2.1 should not access to this server. This server IP address is 1.2.
Okay.
Okay, so now what IP address I should give here?
1.2.
1.2.
1.2
No. Host is
is it
this one.
2.1 I think.
Laptop. 2.1 laptop. Sorry.
2.1
Yes.
to whom?
1.2.
Destination is 192.168. I think 1.2 correct.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಅವಾಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
Yeah. Like at the last moment I did this only actually.
Correct. And
Oh my
Internet
god.
release
ನಾನೇ
means
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
just
Asking for
eco reply.
okay.
access list 110. Okay. Permit IP any.
Any.
Okay, now which interface we have to apply? Interface.
Gigabit.
So gigabytes.
0/0/0.
0/0.
Okay. So IP access group. Okay. What is our access number? 110. It's inbound or outbound?
Out.
Right. So now I think it should not be. So let's take this is the IP address, right?
Okay.
2.1.
Mm.
Right. So echo. One dot two, right?
Yes. Yeah, also same thing.
But it's pinging.
Did not get reply. So let's go into.
No, you didn't only that reply, not the pinging one, I think so.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ like echo reply is something that it should not be pinging at all ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ.
Getting the
Hmm.
echo reply, right? It's pinging.
No. It could ping, means the laptop could ping to server, but server should not reply back to that same. ಅದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತದ actually.
Check with this one. It should not ping.
Can you try? ತಾಜ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಬರೀ ಇದು ಇಕೋ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಾನೆ?
ಹೌದು echo.
ಇಕೋ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಇಕೋ
ಹೌದು.
ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಮೀನ್ಸ್
ಒಂದು
ಸರ್ವರ್
ಕೆಲ್ಸ
ಇಂದ
ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು.
So we will take one more scenario case, which I will start with named ACL. So in the name ACL, we'll try to do some different scenario case.
Okay.
Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? So let's do here standard and named ಎರಡು. We'll take same topology. Why we are putting a lot of conditions here, rules. We'll take same thing and then we'll do name access list so that we can do testing. We'll do block the telnet, we'll block HTTP, we'll block ICMP.
Okay.
ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's do that. Let me take the same topology. So extended standard every. I think this is a standard, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I will copy this guy. So this lab, we're going to discuss about name ACL. Okay. So in the name ACL, we are going to configure some of the rules. First, understand. I will write it down the task guys.
Mm-hmm.
So in name we can do extended or this thing. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do now. I think we have configured some ACL here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Show access list. Here we have to remove that. Okay.
Okay.
No access list 10. That's it's gone. Show IP route static. So it has the routes now.
Okay.
So IP route static. Yeah, so it has the routes now. So now let me write it down as some task here. Okay. The first task, what I'm going to do it here. Okay, the first task is deny is what you want to deny. Okay, so deny your HTTP. I think HTTP we have done, right?
Yeah, OTT. Yes, done.
Okay.
Deny that.
So HTTP we have done. So now we'll do for your this invoice. I want to block this song as telnet. Deny the
Telnet.
telnet.
Yes, start.
Yeah. Okay. So deny the telnet to access one of the PCs. So which PC you want to block from
Any?
the LAN? 3 networks. So any one of the 3 networks. Say example, we take from 3 dot
1, 2, anything.
0 network. 3 networks should not access the telnet, but they can ping. Okay.
Okay.
Can you do this?
Yes.
One more question, Taj. Actually, ಅದು previous scenarioದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬರೀ ಅದು ವೆಬ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿಂಗಿಂಗ್.
Yeah, the reason because as you know, this is the stimulation part. Actually, the command, what is the command I have used? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. Okay, because it is the stimulations, I think it is not giving the proper result, but it should work. The command, everything is correct.
Yes.
Okay.
It should block the ping. With the command
Okay.
what we have given. So we have denied ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. So ಆದ್ರೂ ping ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ the stimulation part, I think we have to restart the device, save this and restart, we'll see. ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
Sure.
Sure, Taj. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So ಈಗ just I'm going to explain the telnet. Okay, let's configure telnet first. First create the username. Username I'll give Cisco privilege. I'll give 15. Password Cisco. Okay, line VTY.
0 to 5, 0 to 4.
VVTY 0 to 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
4 or 5.
Again, local end.
So I think now I can able to access from
ಇವಾಗ ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
192.168 on that one. Remote
Connection
access
refused by remote. Okay.
refuse. 2.
Okay.
What is IP address?
3
1.100 now. This is the IP address for router, right?
Yes. No, 1.100. Should be. Okay.
So IP
config interface brief.
Okay, right now I can able to access this end. Now I want to block the telnet. Okay, they should not access. Like every PC, they can access.
Okay.
The router one. Oh, I pinging one. Telnet, right? So now I don't want to allow them to access the telnet for my router. Okay, so this network. So this network I don't want to allow, but they can ping.
Okay.
So how I can do that?
Yeah.
Which router I should configure?
One second. Question repeat,
Extended,
Taj.
extended
The
only we have.
question is, okay, this network which I colored, okay,
Mhm.
light blue, okay, they can ping to my 1.0 network.
Okay.
These guys, but
Hmm.
they cannot do the telnet to my router.
Mhm.
Same for this guy also. Same for this network as well. Let me take this square. Same thing, this guy also.
Using extended access control list only, right?
Yes, using extended. So how can I do that?
I think while giving the comments, I noticed like if you give a question mark, it will give a list of things in which you want to block, either a port 80 for HTTPS, and there.
Okay, that is fine. That is a help. The command it will help you.
Okay.
Yeah, mine is like first you tell me which router we should configure now.
Both in R2 and R3, I guess.
So extended access list is configured nearest to
Source.
Source.
source. Now I think R1. You should configure an R1, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
At
So
R1 it's a web.
let's configure this access list. So this time I will give 120. Okay, what you are going to do now?
Deny.
If you want to deny. Okay, so what kind of this one you want to deny? You want to deny TCP, right?
TCP.
TCP traffic. Telnet belongs to your TCP traffic. Remember, guys.
Okay.
Then
Source address.
you want me to give the question mark?
Yes.
Yeah. Single source or any source. I want like source piece, which IP address, like which network is talking about.
Means
So as I told you,
R1 first network.
three network, right? Three network. First thing is three network. 3.0.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. 3 dot network. Okay.
Mhm.
And he asking the wildcard mask 0.0.
000.
Okay, then you question mark. Single destination host. Right? Single destination, because any one of the PC, they should not do the telnet.
Okay.
Okay, so like this
The
also we
host.
can give, or else we can give any this thing, like let's give the host here.
Host code.
Okay, host. Destination is, who is my destination now?
1.0.
1.100.
1.100.
1.100 is your router, right?
Network.
1.0.
1.2, I think, for this server, I guess. You check this
Server, I
one.
think so. 1.5.
Is
1.5.
1.5. So
Okay,
let's give
telnet is
1.5.
configured to that.
Let's give 1.5, sir. 1.5.
1.5.
No, telnet is configured for the whole router.
Yeah, in
At
the
a
router we
router.
configured.
The telnet, yeah.
So now you give the question mark. Now you're asking what you are trying to do. Equal equal to what?
Telnet.
Telnet 23.
Equal to telnet. Is it done?
Hmm.
You know,
That's why did you select 1.5 tar?
1.5 is this server IP address.
Sir.
Okay, but
1.2 it is.
yeah,
Okay, 1.5.
1.5.
Okay, so actually
but
telnet
telnet
means,
is
guys,
configured on the
telnet
router.
means we should configure with the router. That is 100. Is correct.
Yeah,
Namada,
that's
you are
what.
correct. Correct.
100, yeah.
Correct.
First ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
Yes,
ಅದೇ.
good guys. You people are very intelligent, man.
I know that.
Okay, then what you should do? IP access list. Permit
ನೀವು ಬತ್ತ.
Any
120, right? 120.
120.
Okay, permit
any
IP any. So now interface, which interface I should apply?
Gigabit.
no, serial interface.
Hmm.
Serial 0/1/0. Then IP access group 110. I think 120. Then inbound or outbound?
Inbound.
Inbound.
Is it inbound?
Yes.
Yes. Let's see. So now it should not happen the telnet, right?
Okay.
So which network we have configured?
3.
R1. Now we have come
3 network.
3 network. It's configured at R1.
I think we configured telnet right here.
Hmm.
Now we can able to access. So as per this thing means we should not. Telnet is blocked. It's trying.
Okay.
Okay. Now check for any other laptop. It's blocked, right?
Hmm.
Before telnet, I will check first ping. The ping should work, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it should work.
192.168.1.100. You getting reply, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now telnet. This should get blocked, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Getting blocked. Now check for other routers now. This last PC, this is 3.2. He must ping now. So 192.168.1.100. Yeah, I'm getting a reply. Telnet. Okay, it's getting blocked. So what about these two network? These two networks should get access telnet, right?
Yes.
Telnet 192.168.
1.100.
Yeah, so I can access, right?
Yes.
Cisco.
Cisco.
So exit. I can able to ping. 168. Sometimes it will not work, guys. Don't worry, because this is stimulation part. So even when I used to train, so even sometimes it will get stuck. Yakandre bala idu packet tracer as a stimulation software based. Okay, but it is very powerful.
Yeah.
Sometimes it will work, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay. So but up to CCNA level, this is sufficient. Fine. So
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
now,
ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು.
I don't know why you are not received. I think she will send, man. I think Anshika will send, I'm sure. I think.
For batch 1 she has sent. Maybe
Or
for
for the
batch 2
batch
some
2.
other day.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ 2 ಬಿಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಳಿ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಳಿ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. Okay. Can you do the standard named ACL?
Okay.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ rather than giving number, we should how we can configure is simple. Same thing this one, guys. So axis list, okay, you will give is asking the question, right? So I will give say example 100. It will give the question. It's IP axis list. It starts from IP axis list extended. Okay, if you are talking about this one means number, can give 100.
Okay.
IP axis group. Okay. The way of giving this named axis group, same thing, but doesn't make any changes.
Okay.
IP access list can give standard, and even we can give the name like sales team block. Then we can give all are same. All of the command you use, same command, no changes.
Okay.
All what are the commands you are used. Okay, so I think I have shared you the lab manual. In that, this access list is there. This is some scenario.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so can I give a scenario? Can you do it now? Small
Okay.
scenario.
Okay.
Okay, see, first understand in your named ACL. Okay, in your named ACL. So let me. There's no difference. Like both are like similar. So I think you have done standard ACL, right? And extended ACL.
Mm.
Okay, so in named ACL, so what we can do, suppose if you are given 1 to 199, it will, 99, it will consider your standard.
Standard, yeah.
100 to 199 consider the extended. Here, just instead of the give number, we can give the name.
Yes.
That's it. Okay, name. Suppose if you are given name standard, it will consider your standard access list. It will take this
Within-
number automatically.
Within that
Okay.
1 to 99. Yes.
Like your sales team block, finance team block, same command. Okay.
Okay.
Or else if you want, I will show you one lab and then we can do your lab from your side.
Mm.
Okay. I think last lab you understood, right? What we did.
Yes, touch.
Okay. Very it's not a real rack. Okay, sometime it will come, sometime hopefully we got this one. But it will come, most of them they will come. Okay, so let's take this same topology again. Oh, it has crossed the limit now. I can drag right side now. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. And see the guys, this is what is the file name? Lab 6 ACL. I have given the file name. See, if you drag, you cannot see anything. Drag this side. So we have done a lot of labs.
Okay.
Left side, right side.
Yesterday's lab you have not sent, fifth,
Yeah, I will send
lab
it.
fifth. Today you send it both.
Okay, this is named ACL. I will do it now. So named ACL, same thing. How we did blocked, right?
Hmm.
Named ACL for standard.
Okay.
So first check what lab we have done. Show IP route static. Static routing is working. And go to my second router. Show IP route static. Show access list. Okay, there is no access list here. Is it we configure access list in here? Oh, we have to remove here. How do I remove this? No access list. 120. That's it.
20.
And removing an access list in Palo Alto and this one, guys, FORTINET firewall is very difficult.
Okay.
Let's see. I think I'll show you the Monday, the last day of the training, Monday. I'll access my server and I'll show you some very interesting labs.
Okay.
Gita.
So IP route static. I think now each one is communicating to each other, right? I think 100 is there. 2.1. Okay, so now they have the communication now. The name as named access list. Named access list we can use named standard, name extended. Okay, so right now I'm going to configure your named standard access list. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I want to block any one of the PC. Let's take example this guy 1.2, same thing, right?
Okay.
Okay, let's put this into red color. So this is the block PC. Same lab, I think what we did now. Okay, so where we can configure, you can configure in router 2, right?
Router 2.
Correct. So how we can configure? Go to global configuration mode.
IP access list.
Okay, so here we have to give IP access list, yes, not access list.
Okay.
And give the question mark. So here it asking extended or standard. So I am going to do now standard. Give the question mark, it will ask the name of the access list, or we can give the number. So now I will give the name. Okay, so name, this is say example, I'll use Vikas PC.
Okay.
Means Vikas PC I'm going to block.
Okay.
Okay, remaining all command are same. Say example, like you can give directly deny directly. Okay, deny what? What do you want to deny? So 192.168. What is the IP
1.2.
address? 1.2. Okay, and give your wildcard mask first.
0.0.0.
Wildcard 0.0.0.25.
255.
That's it. Okay, right now we have blocked that one, right? And remaining permit.
Permit any.
That this means they cannot access any of the networks, sir. 2.network and 3.network.
No, just I have blocked one PC to access 2 network and 3 network. Just
That's
two
fine.
network. Okay, still I have not given completely. So I think let me give because which network you want to block. That was important, right?
Yes, both the network IP address,
Which
network
network?
address have to
Say 192.168.
2.2.
2.0 also we can give with the wildcard mask.
And also 3.0 as well.
And 3.0 also we can give. Means because PC cannot enter into
These two networks.
These two networks. Okay.
Correct. So let's check, I think. Two 168. First thing we check 3.1. 3.1 is there, guys?
Yeah, it should be.
Why is getting reply back?
Request timed out, again replying back.
No, first packet will be dropped, Rakesh, because that is for the R.
Okay.
Check for second network. 2.1. Is it we are configured for the router 2?
Yes.
Still we are not.
standard.
See, we are not applied to the interface, man.
Ah,
Okay. That's what I'm saying. Show access list. So we are not applied to the interface.
It's
Right.
LAN, right?
Interface gigabyte 0/0/0, right?
yes.
Okay. Then IP access group.
Yes.
What is number have given?
192.160.
I think
Yeah.
because
Because
that is access list, right? Not the group.
because PC something.
it's IP access group. IP access group. Okay, word.
Because PC
Because PC. Okay, is it inbound or outbound?
outbound.
Okay, it's a outbound.
Yes.
Means right now we have given only for router 2, I guess.
2.
Router 2. Same thing we should give for router 3 also, right? There also we should configure.
Configure there, yeah.
Yes, there also. Right, I will check only for the router 2 itself.
2. Yeah.
Yes.
Right. So I think this guy, I think now it should not ping. It's ping.
Taj, one thing actually, this one in standard ACL, at the destination only we have to configure, right? Not at the source.
Request timed out.
You have to configure at the destination, right?
In standard.
In standard. You're
Just in
doing
the-
a standard only or at that extended one?
Yeah, standard. Standard.
The standard means then you have to configure at R1, right? Not at the router 2, right? That becomes a source, right?
No, R2.
No, man. R2 only, correct it is.
It's R2
But
only. It's R2.
my question is, like, how does it recognize that 1.2 is a Vikash PC? Like, where we have given? Like, how is it recognizing that 1.2 is a Vikash PC? Only that has to be blocked for the 2 network.
So so this is the command what we have given, right? Let me show
Okay.
this.
You have given the command Vikash PC. Like standard, you have given the name Vikash PC. Because so
you
after
can
that,
see is access
So we
list you
have
have given.
denied, right? We have denied this PC.
Hmm.
Okay. And to access. Okay. I think still we have to give from which network. This is the IP address belongs to the Vikas PC.
like yeah, how is like we have not named it? How we can consider that that is a Vikas PC only? Here, standard Vikas PC have given. Okay. So Vikas has to be mentioned for that 1.2 PC, right? You have just denied 1.2. Like how
1.2
does it
question mark.
take a
Because just we have given the name of the access list. That is not the PC name.
okay.
That is not the PC name. This is the access list name. You can give any name. Just understanding. See, standard access list we can give your
0 to
in
99.
name ACL we can give any name. This is not a recognition of your PC name. Okay, we are going to block the one PC. Okay, so as per this our topology, so this guy should not ping to two network. So let's check with this guy.
Okay, Mari.
2.1. Okay, so these guys will ping.
This becomes an extended, right? First standard.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ R1 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಇಲ್ಲ bro,
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
2 ಇದೆ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2 ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Yeah, that is correct, man. 100%. That is 2 router to 1.
Okay.
I think so. Let's check the configuration. We are missing something here. Show access list. Oh, guys, first we have to remove this one. This is the old one which we configured that. Show run.
Standard.
No, can we just I know remove the whole access list which we have configured? Like we can do it from the beginning.
Oh, it's getting confused actually.
Vikash also, and even the earlier one which we have done, Vikash PC.
What is the number we have given?
V caps 110.
100.
120. 120 was removed, I guess. 20.
No
10.
IP access group.
Group, I
Touch.
guess. Yes.
You put list. Instead of that, you put group.
Yes, touch. Last time ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. hyphen PC was ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ತಾಜ್ ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಾಜ್ ಇದು.
Yes, case sensitive. We have to give what we have given because I have given V capital.
Yes.
Okay.
So the case sensitive name access list. Okay. So now we'll do for the fresh gas. Okay,
Yeah.
that is a name ACL. Okay. The rules is okay. So right now we can everybody should communicate, right? As per this thing, I think we copied. So
Yes.
now it is everybody's pinging.
Yes.
We have removed the ACL. No ACL has been configured now. So now we have to configure the ACL now. What the scenario is, okay. I'll get your standard access list named standard access list. Same scenario will take 1.2 network should be blocked and 1.3 or will take 2 act and 3.0 network. Okay. So as per this thing is for standard access at least we should configure nearest to source, right? Nearest to destination, correct? Destination is your R2. Okay, so let's configure the same things. So IP access list standard, I will give just CCNA, just to easily we can remember, right? Okay, so then deny. So what do you want to deny? So I want to deny 192.168 1.2. Okay, so here I will give any mask. If you give the question mark, that's it. This and deny one more host. Right now I have blocked 1.2, right? So I will block one more PC 192.168. I will take this 1. I think 4 will be there somewhere else. We'll see. Okay, 1.4 or 1.3. Let's see 1.3. And deny one network, like which network? We'll block the network 3 network because you know this guy standard access is going to block one PC or entire network, right? Okay, 192.168, block this 3.0 network and give the wildcard.
Mm.
Okay, then permit any. Exists. Now apply to the interface. Okay, now it only which interface I should apply. To the gigabytes, right? Same.
Yes.
To the gigabyte, same.
Yes.
Previous lab, same lab. Okay. So then IP access group. Okay. Give a question mark. In asking CCNA. CCNA outbound.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
And show IP, show access list. So this is what we configured, right? This is what we configured. Okay. So now, as per this thing is, now this guy should not ping on. Now it is pinging. So ping to 2.1.
Hmm.
Let's close this. And these guys can ping 92.168, 1.1. From this side, he can ping. Let's check with other guy. One dot two. 1.5. Who is 1.2? 1.1. 3.
If we are blocking 3 3.1 into 168 3.0 network, so this interface should be serial, na? If we are configuring or R2.
Yes, yes. So now it's because it's getting blocked now. Two network. Can you see? Actually, guys, this is not 1.2, guys. See, this is 1.5. We are labeled with the wrong. This is 1.2.
Oh.
Okay. This is 1.2. We have blocked this one. And this guy is 1.4.
Not-
And this guy is 1.3. I think 1.3 also you block. I mean, this laptop should not ping now.
Okay.
Okay, this laptop previously it was pinging. Now it's get blocked, right?
Yes.
Okay, now this server should ping. Let's see. 2.1 network. Yes, it's getting reply. And this PC should reply. I think it was getting reply, right? Yes. So only these two guys, which we have blocked. And even this guy as well. This is which IP address?
Not 3, yeah. It should be
This
Not
is
this
4.
one, next one. Next one.
This is
Next
4.
lab.
4 it is.
1.3. The next piece.
Yeah, this guy. I think these guys, I think
Unreachable.
Unreachable.
1.3.
1.3.
Yes, because we have blocked only two, right? 1.2
3.
and
103.
1.3.
2 and 3, right?
Yes.
Yes, we are getting. Now we check for the 3 network. I think 3 also we have given, right? 3 network. Let's check for this server. So ping to 192.168.2.1. Yes,
Yes.
because you blocked the network.
Okay.
Check for other any one of the laptop. Ping 192.168. This is 2.1. Yes, means entire network got blocked.
Okay.
So can you do it for extended now? So this, if you see, show access list, you can see this is named as it, nothing else guys. Standard IP access list, CCNA. Okay, same topology you copy, I will send you right now. Okay, so I want you people to do the your extended. Okay, named extended. Okay,
Okay.
named extended, you block telnet, HTTP. Okay, I will draw the topology and send you this file, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let me copy the same thing. I think, yeah, let me copy same thing. So that it will help you copy and paste. This time I should go up. Okay, so this is my named ACL. I'll write the values, guys. 100 to 199. It is understandable, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just remove the previous configurations. Then I'll share you this file right now.
Okay.
Okay, no IP access list, CCNA, right?
Yes.
Standard CCNA.
Okay.
Show IP route. Okay. Now they have the communication gas. So everything is done. So let me take the scenario now, what we have to do now. Still you have 30 minutes time. Okay. I want you people to do this lab. Okay, because now for my side, I think I had done a lot of lab, right?
Yes.
You can see a lot of things. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
your turn now. Okay, so this is your lab. Okay, the task is here. Let me write it down the task here. Here, I write it down the diagram.
Mm-hmm.
Select it this one itself. Take light colors. Okay. Now let me set you the task now. Okay, the task here, guys. So now we can see everybody is communicating with each other. We have
Yes.
configured a static routing.
Yes.
They have communication now. Now we have to configure your
Telnet.
extended access list by using name. You should not give the value, guys. Okay, don't give the values. I think command is very simple, guys. IP access list, guys. Don't give access list. If you give access list means it will not show you the extended or standard.
Named. Yes.
It will ask you to give the value.
Okay.
Number.
Okay.
Okay, you have to type IP access list. Okay, command is there. You can check your old topology, which is there. Okay. Now, let me take it some. So this is my web server. Imagine, let me write it down the label. Okay, this is my web server. So what is IP address, guys, here? 192,
3, I
168.
guess.
I think 1.3.
3, I guess.
5.
3, I guess.
5.
Let's type and
Check
check.
once.
We'll see.
Server is 5. No?
Hello, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ PC. He's taking that as a web server.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು 4 ಇದು.
It's a 4, right? Okay.
ಇದು 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, so this is my this thing now. So this server should in this network, if any one of the PC want to access this web server, should get blocked. Which
From
network?
2.
Route 2 network.
Okay.
Okay. This job is done now. Now, but they should ping.
Okay.
Okay, so let me write it on the task here. Okay. So I'll write it on the network itself. 192.168 2.0 network should not access web server in 192.168 1.0 network. Right?
Okay.
Next task. Okay, next task is, so I want you to block the telnet. Okay.
Okay.
Block telnet. Okay. Okay, who is accessing from 3 network? Okay. 2 or 1 router.
Okay.
You understood the scenario, guys?
Right. Access from 1 to R1. Okay.
First, I will tell you. Okay. This is my one network. Idu bandu one network. Idu 2 network, 3 network.
Yes.
Okay. Second network bandu, you should not allow to
Port 80.
access your web server.
Yeah.
HTTP port number 80.
Yes.
ಯಾವ್ದು PC ಬಂದು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೌಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ISP router now.
Okay.
Your router is now your ISP router.
Okay.
This is your ISP router.
Okay.
Okay. Now, iವ್ರದಾಯ್ತು, but they can ping. They must ping.
Okay.
Ping ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. Okay. Now, your network 3 ಬಂದು.
Telnet
Okay,
ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
what? Okay. They should not do the telnet because we should not allow, right, ISP router to do the telnet.
Okay.
But your router 2 can able to do the telnet.
Okay.
Okay, but router 3 networks, ಇದು 3 network ಬಂದು ಯಾವ PC ನ ಬರ್ಲಿ telnet access ಗೆ telnet traffic ಬಂದ್ರೆ ISP router block ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Okay.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I think you have to give command for this one. Thing is, thing 6 2 for telnet 1 2 4 command guys for this. Only 4 commands. Okay, so what is the file name? Lab 6 ACL, right? So I'll open. I'll share you right now, guys. Here is your team. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು.
Batch 2 CCNA training.
Why is not showing this?
I think
chat?
you have closed the chat section. What you can do is here. Can you just open the Teams? Here chat is there, right? Click on the chat and you can paste it here as of now.
Okay. Okay, I think I might close that one.
Yes.
I think ESCL, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is a big lab, right? Lot of lab there inside.
Yes.
You can see this is the highest file size.
Yeah.
I think you can able to open, right? Can you do this lab, guys, now?
Yes.
So let's see, guys. I want you people to see because everything is ready, right? You did not configure static routing also.
Yeah.
Lot of shortcuts I explained,
Yes.
right? Copy, paste, command, lot of things. Guys, you will be getting mail today, guys. Anshika is online now. I think most probably I think she will send the mail for Tuesday assessment, guys.
Okay.
And 100% I'm going to give the ACL, guys. Confirm. Out of two scenario, one scenario will be ACL, 100%.
Okay.
Especially extended, not standard.
Okay. Another scenario, touch.
Huh?
Another scenario.
Because bada ಹುಷಾರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಪೇಪರ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿನಗೆ.
Whatever other guys. Guys, are you there? Varun, Piyush, Saundarya, Yamalda, Veneja.
Yeah,
Touch.
touch.
Jessica is there. I think she joined morning.
She is there, I think so. Not sure.
Piyush,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
क्या कर रहे हो भाई?
कुछ नहीं, अभी यही अपना आपने भी जब टोपोलॉजी ओपन किया है.
जो मैंने फाइल भेजा है इसको ओपन किया आपने?
यस यस.
But thing is, today I'm going to prepare your MCQ assessment, guys.
Okay.
And they asked me to give the different scenario for different batch, not same.
Okay.
For batch 1 and batch 2.
Yeah.
Lab assessment, yes.
Success. Deny the internet from the LAN 3.0. Mhm. Server. Task.
Start.
Yes, Manuja.
It's Emilda. Is it
Uh,
possible like one person can share and do it so that at least people can understand?
how can you come again?
Is it one person can share screen and do it so that we can understand like what exactly it is, how it is?
Yes, no issue. So who is going to share? Rakesh, Vikas, Piyush, Soundarya. You can share your screen to me so that you and I want to know how we are going to configure. So that first time we are doing right.
Yes.
Okay.
Just
So
give me like 2 minutes.
next
Almost
step,
done with one this thing.
anyone can share, like Rakesh or any Varun or Piyush. All group together, we can do it. Next time, so that we can understand better. Individually, we can do it later.
Okay.
You can share to me. I'm also waiting, guys. Who is going to share?
Yeah. Just give me a few minutes. I'll share. Okay. I'm just trying. Like 5 minutes, please.
Okay. Where is Satya, man? Today Satya is absent.
I think he had a function actually, so he went there.
Five minutes over, Rakesh.
Yeah. I'm stuck in this command. Actually, I might have forgot this thing, but
Maybe your friends will help you. Even I can also help you,
okay.
right?
Just a minute. I'm sharing my screen.
Hmm.
Okay.
So you're in R1, right?
Yes, I'm in R1 trying to block the port 80 and
Mhm.
www https. Actually, uh,
What about other guys? You are doing, you want to join with Rakesh topology, or you're trying with your individual?
So here I'm stuck here. Actually, see, extended the name he gave, and so deny TCP.
Hmm.
And so I took equal here, and then
24.
I here used this thing. What is this?
Actually, which one are you doing, Rakesh? In the task?
First task, like whole two networks should not be accessing this HTTPS server. So here I've like equal this. You can see that equal port 80. So I'm not sure whether this I'm doing it right or not here.
You try, you try.
Here
Below that 80, we have to mention exactly to whom which we have to deny this.
Yeah.
So there
The
should
first-
be after the wildcard mask, there should be 192.161.4, right? Yes, I'm not
like I
sure,
know
but
actually,
guessing.
because when I pressed a question mark here, I got this. See, after this 192, given while after the wildcard mask, and
Then
I gave
you
question mark,
can
right? So these
yes,
when it
after that
came,
question mark, you can give destination address. The
destination address.
No.
the destination address should be 1.4, right?
Okay, just a minute.
Actually, the Rakesh, the first task was to deny the telnet from the LAN 3.0, no?
No. That's the second. We can do anything. Like he has
Yeah,
given
yeah.
two
So
tasks.
you're doing the second one.
Second one, yeah,
Uh-huh.
Second one you're doing, or
yeah,
first one?
second one.
Yeah,
Oh,
only two tasks are given. Yeah, one is web server, the other one is telnet.
That's what.
Block the
2 and
telnet.
3 is not given.
So here, okay, let me go back to this thing. One 192.168.1.4.
Destination wildcard mask.
0.055.
Then EQ
Equal to
equal to
80.
80.
80.
Okay,
Then
that's it, right?
yes. Then we have to
Okay. IP
on
access.
interface 000 outbound.
No.
We should give permit thing something, right?
Yes, permit thing is here. Permit IP any
TCP any.
any
Thing.
Then outbound policy on Giga Ethernet 00.
What?
Interface we should give, I guess.
Yeah, but you have to exit.
No. We have to
Exit from here.
Mm-hmm.
Then go to interface and outbound policy on 00.
Zeros.
/0
0/000.
I go.
0.
Here. What's the command?
IP access group.
Group, yeah.
Your KHS, what is the
Question
your
mark.
name?
RH something.
Yeah, you can give question mark.
Your name, this
Yeah.
ACL
That
name,
what you gave the
and
Yeah,
space
okay.
out.
in or out.
Exit, right and check once it works.
Okay. One 92.168.1.4. Yeah, it's not working. This is done.
But it should be ping. We have to check once ping response if it is pinging,
Okay.
but it's everything is blocked.
Yeah. This
Yeah,
ping.
it's working.
Okay, this is done. So this network should not be accessing the telnet.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Hmm.
IP access list.
Extended.
I've already given, right? So I don't have to do this again.
Yeah, but
Extended
you have to go to that this thing, no? Access configuration, access list configuration.
Do show access list, Rakesh. Check what things you configured. Do show access list or IP access list, right?
this.
Okay, so telnet you not yet configured. I think you configured
Telnet I've configured. I've given. Telnet I've done.
access list. Did you configure?
No, access list is not configured yet. That's what we are doing now.
Oh, now you're doing okay, fine.
Yeah. No. First in this router, access list is configured, right? See RKH.
We can use the same access list.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, we can use same as here.
But just you have to enter the same thing
You
again.
have to just
extended
go
IP.
inside that access list.
Yes. You have to go inside that.
Access list. RKH.
Extended. RKH. Okay,
Now it's
I'll
in
enter this.
Now deny.
TCP. 192.168.3.0.
Source address 192.168.3.0.
Wildcard must
0.0.255.
Once again, let me extend this.
Then you can give a question mark.
3.0, yes. Destination IP.
Yeah.
Destination.
It can be 192.168.1.0.
100, I guess.
Yeah, 100.
68.1.100.
100. Wildcard must
20.0.
Or you can also give equivalent. Also, you can give instead of giving source address.
Equivalent.
That also equivalent also
now
can
we
be
can
given.
give.
No.
23.
Yeah. Now also
Equivalent 23.
23.
Yes, that's it. Permitting.
Permit.
Permit IP.
Yeah.
Exit.
Serial interface inbound. Serial interface inbound.
What is the interface?
0.
That's 0. Yeah. Hit.
In.
Okay. Done, right?
Yes, done.
So .192.168.1.
1.100,
Yes.
na?
1.100. It has to deny, no?
Oh, it's accessing.
Try to ping if its ping is deny or it's working.
No. Come out, come
Exit.
out, exit.
Try from any other PC as well once. It's giving.
Bro, deny ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಟೆಲ್ನೆಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ.
Let's go to R1.
Instead of telnet, we are given 80. I mean 23.
23, yeah.
Go to R1 once.
Here, router.
Would it be out or in?
Scroll up.
I'm confused.
Look, it's traffic is coming towards R1 now from that
yeah.
interface. So
It should be inbound only. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Scroll up. Our this thing. 192.168.
3.0.
Rakesh, you
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
configured in R1, right?
Yes. Yes,
Should be
configure. You
outbound,
can see
no?
here.
You are supposed to do extended access list, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then which router you should configure?
In the source.
Nearest to source, right? In extended. Okay, so which is the source here?
It should be on R2.
R3.
R2.
Yeah,
It's R3.
For this thing, this is the nearest source.
You should configure in R2 and R3.
R2 and R3.
Got it? Because see, I have given two scenario, right? So one is telnet, one is HTTP traffic should be blocked.
Yes.
Okay, HTTP server is available in your R1.
Yes.
Okay, so now now which is the source now? So which network I told for second network, two network. If two network are coming to access for the web server, we should get blocked.
Yes, that's blocked.
Okay, and for the telnet, for only for R3, sorry, your 3 network.
Yeah.
Okay, they should not access the telnet for R1.
Yes.
Okay, for in this telnet, so which router you are going to apply your ACL?
R2. Bro, once minimize this thing.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Minimize that. Yeah. The first understand this.
Yes.
Okay.
So first talk about this thing as telnet. So ISP router. I told you that ISP router return. Okay, ISP router. Okay, your 3 network. 3 network should not access the router ISP router. That is telnet.
Yes.
Now you tell me which router you are going to apply your ACL.
R3.
So R1 at source, right? Here it should commence.
R3, right?
R1.
Source is the R3 and R1 is the destination.
Yes, means R3 you should configure the telnet.
Source,
Yes.
Right? So now for HTTP web server, HTTP traffic should whenever the two network accessing the web server, you should get blocked. But
Yes.
three network should access your web server.
Yes.
Okay, which router you are going to configure now?
R1.
You should configure in R
1.
nearest to source. Now, who is the source now?
Source is this one, web server. R1 is.
That's
Is
the
it correct,
destination.
Piyush?
Yeah. R3
Piyush,
we have to
Ananda?
configure, and
You should configure in R1, right? Okay, it's correct, R1. So now you tell me like what did you configure in R1 and R3? Now you check the configuration. First R1.
you run. Na?
Do show.
Do show.
run exit.
I think telnet command we have to remove from here.
You have to remove this telnet.
Yes,
You
because
just
now
copy this deny TCP second last one. Telnet wala command and just no and paste that thing.
Here itself, or do I have to
go
into the arcade? I know that extended arcade.
IP
No,
access
if you go
list,
to arcade, right?
Arcade, yes.
extended arcade.
pretty good.
Oh.
Exit.
Okay. So here we do
R3.
So here I have to deny this. I have to paste it here, right? This one. Deny TCP.
Yes. Yes.
Right. Permit.
Permit IP.
Done. Oh, interface serial.
Just take it as a. I guess we can directly then. Yeah. On Giga Ethernet 00, we can either get it inside or on serial interface outbound.
Yeah. No, this one here, right? Serial interface 0/0.
We are on R3 now.
Yeah.
Take it as it. Yes. Repeat. Either we can take Giga Ethernet 000 inbound or serial interface 010 outbound. I'm not sure.
A gigabyte.
Okay, try
Should be an
anyway.
outbound, right?
Then take serial interface 010 out.
Mm,
010.
no, this is the second scenario, right?
Yes.
The second scenario we have to block
This group.
hmm,
Out.
Out.
Because this from this interface, this traffic would be going outside. This
hmm.
interface is outbound for this router.
Don't think so. Let me see.
Yes, you try.
Dot. Dot.
100. Yeah, now it's denied.
Yeah.
Try to ping us.
Let me see. 1 second. Okay. 92.1. Dot. 100. It's
And
pinging.
it's done.
So we
Just-
mentioned out, right? Out or
Yeah,
we
out.
mentioned. Because for that interface, this traffic is outbound.
Outgoing. Yeah. Outgoing.
Hmm.
Okay. Got
But
it.
yes, this might work on Giga Ethernet 000 inbound. I'm not
Inbound.
sure, but it will not work or not.
Yeah, for that should be outbound, right?
That's done, I guess.
Yes. Have done, guys.
Yes. Done.
And check whether is it working.
Yes.
Telnet is
Telnet. Yeah. We can see here. Telnet with connection timed out. So then
okay. And what about check for from other PC?
from the 3 network itself.
Yeah, 3 network.
Okay.
Okay, so can they ping?
Yes. It should.
They should ping, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Now you check from 2 network.
They should kind of work that out.
No, check from 2
Yes.
network.
From 2 network itself, 1 PC.
Okay, you can able to do that this one, right? Telnet.
Yes.
Okay, no.
Yeah. From
Okay,
PC.
then yes. Then you check for this one. HTTP. Some which PC you are doing this one?
Yeah, here from the 2 network.
2 network.
It should not
Okay.
work. Okay. HTTP
://
168.1.1.4. No, it's
Is it
not.
1.4?
Yes.
1.4?
Yes.
with server IP address?
So this one, 1.4. It's not okay. Any of this one I'll check. Next. It's coming like this.
Reset timer. It's not accessible. There is which PC?
This one, this laptop
That
from
one.
3rd network.
Third laptop means this should allow, right?
Yeah.
Check for other PC. laptop, other PC in 3 network. Why is this HTTP traffic blocking? Check the server IP address is correct or not first. 1.4 is there written exactly.
Dot
1.5.
five. And it got changed.
Okay.
And it got
Check
changed.
the ACL.
Like you have
Check.
given 1.4
They
here,
are-
right, for this?
They are getting
Yeah, man.
changed, I guess.
Yeah, by so it's switching here and there. It is getting changed.
Then ACL, what did you apply there?
1 second. Actually, it is this. 1.4, this one.
Oh, okay.
Let me just mark this.
Or else give web server IP static thing from that network.
No, it is not working.
Because it gets changing.
This is our 1.4 network. So let me AP 168.1.4.
1.5 we should give it.
No, here. So this is not working. Understood. What about this one? Here also it's not working. In the same network.
What 1.4 is what? Sorry.
PC, right?
PC it is.
Just
Should give the server thing, right?
why this PC will
Actually, we
be
have
accessible
in-
from web server within the region.
Actually, here, what we have given 1.4, and because I saw this one and I gave
Yes,
1.4 here.
Because when he was assigning tasks, that time this
Yeah,
IP was
we have given
1.4 only. That's why.
exactly. So that means if either if this is there or this is there, like it should not matter. But it should
Rakesh,
not
the
reach to
problem-
1.4.
Rakesh should have done this in R2 actually, to my knowledge.
No.
From R2,
Here, what task it is being given, like from R2 network, this they should not ping to the server.
yeah. So there only you should supposed to write the
Here,
access.
I have to do it in this one, right? The in R1.
It is correct what Rakesh did.
Okay, let's see one sec.
Can you do in the same network from PC to server? Can you ping 1.5?
Hey,
Try to
I
access the
okay.
PC to server. Check once that confirm that server IP once.
1.5
HTTP
//
92.168.1.5.
1.5.
It will ping because it is within a network, right? It will ping.
No.
Direct connection.
It is not pinging to this thing 1.4.
Sorry.
You should change the typing.
See, I'll check with 1.4. See, it's not working.
There is nothing on that PC.
Correct.
It won't
Actually,
show.
no.
Why it would
Actually,
show
that's
anything?
no. You did is correct only, Rakesh. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
ಹ್ಮ್
ಅವರು ತಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಬಂದು 1.5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು 1.4 ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ನ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1.4 means
That's what.
IP address is 1.4. You considered laptop as a server.
That's fine. But I have blocked two second network. I mean, two network for that 1.4 IP. Okay. So the only the second network should not be accessing the HTTP
Yes.
port 80, right? But apart from that, all others should be able to ping to that this thing HTTP. But here itself in the same network, one like all other PCs are not able to ping to this 1.4 like that.
Or else try once by statically assigning 1.4 to this server. Change this IP address of server itself. Statically queue 1.4. So we might
I
not
think
need to change.
actually this is considered as a server. Okay.
Bro, maybe interface ಏನಾದ್ರು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
No. I know I could have done it for 5 only, I guess, instead of 4. It didn't see, like I saw this one, it got changed actually.
Check that configuration, no, in the router one, what you have given in that IP access list for this HTTP.
No, instead of IP access list, you can show or run what are the things that you have given. So entire things that we can see, right?
www
2 network
1.0.
TCP 1.
Okay, I know, I think my mistake is this one, I guess, 1.4
no?
or 5 I have to give here.
5 you should give us.
That 1.4 or 1.5.
Yeah.
Okay, deny 10 means 10 deny TCP asking copy ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿ. ನೋ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು IP ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. IP
access
Yes,
extended.
you can continue this. Check this one. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Now
Sure.
this is almost 5:30. You can continue because just I'll quit. I got some meeting now.
Sure, Taj.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow,
Okay,
guys.
Taj.
Sure, Taj.
Thank you, Taj. Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
In 10 you need to remove Rakesh. 10 you remove.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
At 10
ನಿಮಿಷ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 0.4 ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ.
5 it is, yeah.
Okay.
Permit
That's
IP.
Any. Okay. Exit. Then.
Interface.
ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸು ನೀವು
Give it
ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್
again.
ಏನಾರ ಹೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ.
Gigabyte 0/0.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಇದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಶೋ INT ಬ್ರೀಫ್.
KH out. This one. Not 168.1.5. Reaching. Something went wrong.
ಅದೇ ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಸ್ ಪಿಯೂಷ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ರೈಟ್, ವೆಬ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಟೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ.
So serial interface ಕೊಡೋದೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, because it has to reach to this, right? serial interface ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅವಾಗ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
ಇದು
ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಒಂದೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ರೋ, ಗೀಗಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Is that
ಇದು
like gigabit we will give only on standards or what?
for
Only this is for extended, right? So is that we need to use serial or what? I'm confused.
no. Like the thing is, like see, from here to here we are using the gigabit interface, and from here to here we are using serial. That's I
Yeah.
know that should not be mattering, but what we have to do is, like, this thing, it should be communicating with all of them, but only it should block
Not-
to this, which is coming through gigabit here.
ಫ್ರಮ್ R1.
Yeah.
ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 1.4ಗೆ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
In the
Correct,
1.4 ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ bro, like what
Oh,
task he has given 1.5 ಗೆ, like it should not be communicating. Network 2
means network 2 should not access web server
1.5.
web server 1 point means web server at first network 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1.5 ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ
server.
from network 2 it should not access, but whereas within the network it should access, right? Within a network or a network 3 should access web server. ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ. ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತಿನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ this two
Means,
network should not be accessing this one. Whole two network should not access this server. Web server which is given.
Correct.
So right, so within the network it will, but something we did wrong, it is not happening.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಮ್ದು ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ವಿತಿನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಗೂ ಅದು ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ತಗೋತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದೇನು ಅದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅದು. ಇವಾಗ within network it's happening, that's not a problem, but two network it should not access, right? But two network it is still accessing. ಅದು ಡಿನೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ still it is. Still we will leave it here. I'm also
Bro,
done. We'll see.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ವಯಾ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇಂದಾನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟರ್ 1 ಬಂದು ರೂಟರ್ 1 ಇಂದ ತಾನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಗಿಗಾಬಿಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂತಿದೆ.
ಏನು ಬ್ರೋ ತಲೆ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. have to see the video again.
ಹೌದು, ಯಾಕೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೈಟ್?
Not properly.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Still I think I will try individually everyone.
ಓಕೆ. ಬ್ರೋ ಇವತ್ತು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
Yes.
ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
We'll
ಆದ್ರೆ
leave,
ಒಂದು ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಬ್ರೋ.
Bye everyone. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
Bye. ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಇದೀವಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ.
4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.